welcome to my Google Classroom. I wanted to make a quick video to help you navigate my classroom. So here's my classroom right here. I am located right here on the right corner, and it says any questions. And then behind me I have my desk, chair, books. I also have my whiteboard. And what's very important is I have the exit sign over here on the side. And so let's get started. So the whiteboard, it has my class rules, my learning objective. I also have my story rewrite, which is right here if you're looking for that. And also I have my heritage doll assignment that's also located on the left side on the top. And here is also a picture of my heritage doll that I did. And also on the whiteboard, I have a quiz that's linked to my micro lesson. And I also have an exit ticket that when you press the arrow that's right here under the exit only sign, it will lead you to the exit ticket. So here's my classroom, and that's just a quick rundown. I just wanted to go ahead and give you a video so you can help you find the two main things, which is the heritage doll assignment and the story rewrite example, which is right here. Thank you. Go ahead and leave me any questions if you have any. Thank you.